As you can see, this is Malabar paratha. This is so flaky. It's Malabar paratha, and we have this mutton. This is dry mutton roast. These are small idlis, but it has lots of texture in it, and I can smell the ghee flavor of it. So let us try. Hello guys, welcome to our second video. So in this food series, what we are doing is we are trying some different cuisine in Kolkata. And this time in this video, we'll be trying the best Malayali food in Kolkata. So here we are at the place. We are at Amini and we will try their food. Let's see how it is. So we have placed our order. We have ordered Malabar paratha. We have ordered mutton ola thede. We have ordered ghee roast masala dosa, podle idli, and as a dessert, what we ordered is we ordered Nuniyappam. Pardon me if my pronunciation is wrong, right? But yeah, let's see. We are damn excited, so let's wait for the food. Roast masala dosa. As you can see, we have coconut chutney, we have red chutney, we have sambar, we have the aloo, and let us try the ghee roast dosa. The flavor of ghee, the crunch of the dosa, and the perfect aloo with the chutney. It's amazing. It's amazing. So as you can see, this is the Porti idli. So these are small idlis, but it has lots of texture in it, and I can smell the ghee flavor of it. So let us try. Good. This idli is too good. The flavor of ghee is coming, the oozing out from it, and it's so soft. But the texture of the masalas are there. Let us try with the chutney. It is spicy, spicy coconut chutney. It is. You can take some sambar. This is too good. Thumbs up. So let's come to the sambar. So the sambar is quite thick, and the flavor, all the flavors that are coming out from it is quite significant, and this is quite tasty. So the wait is over. It is, as you can see, this is Malabar paratha. This is so flaky. It's Malabar paratha, and we have this mutton. This is dry mutton roast. This is mutton dry, and we're going to try this Malabar paratha with this mutton. Let us see how it is. I'm out of words now. The paratha is so flaky, crispy, soft on inside. The mutton is the mutton dry is so juicy. Let's try some mutton. Let's see. As you can see, the mutton is so soft. I'm just using my hand to just take it out, and let us try the mutton. It just melts in my mouth. So good. A must try if you are coming here. This combo is must try. It's so kind of them that they served us this appam with this potato stew. They asked us to try it, so let's see how it is. This is the appam. This is so flaky and inside it is very soft. And they suggested us to try this with a potato stew. So let me just dip it. And what is happening? This food is so damn delicious. So this is the dessert time now, and we ordered Uniappam. They already said that it's gonna be very hot, but I cannot wait actually. Let us dig in. Okay. Let me use my hand only. They have added a banana in it. This fried, it is sweet, but not that sweet. Perfect finish of the meal, I must say. So guys, we have completed our meal. It was a great experience. When we think about South Indian food, we only think about idli, dosa, vada and all. But there is way more. You should come to Ammini. This is one of the best places to try Malayali food. I have tasted the best idli I have ever had. I have been to Bangalore, I have been to Chennai. But if you want to try some Keralian food in Kolkata, this is definitely going to be the best place. Thumbs up. We'll see you till the next vlog. Thank you.